Jesus Christ commanded his followers, "Keep doing this in remembrance of me." With these words, Jesus Christ commanded his followers to commemorate his death. This was on the day when Jesus Christ offered his life as a sacrifice for us. 2020, this date corresponds to April 7th, 2020, Tuesday after sundown. Jehovah's Witnesses obey the commandment of Jesus Christ and celebrate the memorial every year, exactly at the day when Jesus Christ died. Because of the coronavirus, COVID-19, it may not be possible to meet in congregations in your area. Local circumstances created by COVID-19 may prevent you to meet in congregations or smaller groups. Then it may be possible for you to commemorate the death of Jesus Christ with the local congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses through videoconferencing, like Skype or Zoom. If these options are not possible for you in your area, you can watch the program of the memorial on the official website from Jehovah's Witnesses, jw.org. The special talk 2020 in connection with the memorial you can find also on jw.org. A special biblical morning program you can enjoy on the Memorial Day on jw.org. If you live in an area which prevents you to commemorate the memorial in congregations or smaller groups, you need the symbols for the memorial, bread and wine. In a video on jw.org you can see how to make memorial bread. It is also important to use a right kind of wine for the memorial. If you don't have the possibility to visit the Memorial 2020 in one of the congregations of Jehovah's Witnesses in your area because of COVID-19. What kind of wine you can use for the memorial you can read on jw.org. If you ask yourself, why did Jesus die, or what purpose did his death have? You can watch the answer in a video on jw.org.